The safety meeting starts with the safety meeting agenda page. Safety issues can be added to this page from the iPad app, the drill report page, the task pages, or the non-conformity and accident and incident pages by simply ticking the Add to Safety Meeting Agenda checkbox. The status column displays 2 green ticks, which indicates the status of each safety issue as it relates to the safety meeting. The first tick indicates that the issue has been discussed at a safety meeting, and the second tick indicates that the task related to the issue has been resolved. At any time, you can click this icon to remind yourself what they mean. To add the issues to the next safety meeting, first tick the checkboxes of the related rows and then click this button. You can add issues to the safety meeting that are in the safety meeting agenda page multiple times and any time prior to the start of the meeting. If needed, you can click this icon to edit the details of the issue prior to the meeting. When you are ready to conduct a safety meeting, click this button in the navigation panel to open the safety meeting structure page. Open Step 1 and add the meeting date and the vessel's location here. Then select the crew members that are participating in the meeting by ticking the checkbox next to their name, then click the Save button. When complete, open Step 2. In this section, you must discuss each of the listed safety topics and enter the outcome by clicking on the discussion point, then type the outcome of the discussion into the text field here and click Save. Then move on to the next discussion point and repeat the process. When all points have been discussed, open Step 3. This section displays the outstanding issues that were discussed during the last meeting, which have not yet been resolved. Clicking on the row will display the comment history of that issue. If the issue has been resolved, then select the crew member who resolved it from this drop-down list. Each unresolved issue should be discussed to understand why it is unresolved and the time frame for it to be resolved. Once all items from the last meeting have been discussed, open Step 4. In this section, you will see the issues that you added from the safety meeting agenda page. These are new safety-related issues that need resolving. Clicking on the row will display the comment history of that issue. Each issue should be discussed to understand how to resolve it and the time frame for it to be resolved in. Enter the outcome of the discussions into the meeting comments section here. If the issue is resolved, then select the crew member who completed it from this drop-down list. When an issue is marked as complete, the record will be removed from the future safety meeting minutes and from the safety meeting agenda page. Once all new issues have been discussed and commented on, open Step 5. This section allows you to ask the crew safety representative if there are any safety-related issues they would like raised on behalf of the crew. If there are any, then click this button to add the item into the Issues Raised by Crew section by filling in these fields and clicking Save. Once complete, open Step 6. Confirm there are no further safety issues to discuss and adjourn the meeting prior to submitting the safety meeting minutes. Once submitted, the meeting minutes are converted to a non-editable PDF and saved into the Safety Meeting Reports page in date order. And finally, the next safety meeting date will be automatically added to the main calendar 30 days from the current submitted meeting date. If you have any questions about safety meetings, please contact us at the following email address.